You could take that one. Take it. Oh. No shells.
Oh my god.
No shells.
I had that.
Jess, you had that one.
Oh my god, I had that.
He pulls the trigger and it's click. No shells. Oh. Someone's dragging their feet. That's 2 ducks she missed because there's no shells. Oh, look at the pink pretty flamingos out there, Jess. Look. Beautiful flamingos right out there.
Oh yeah, I see.
Oh, look, beautiful, beautiful flamingos are flying around.
Okay, now I'm ready.
Yeah, now Jess is ready. Oh, that was our duck.
He's calling me.
Yeah.
They're done.
You're done? All right.
What are we gonna do?
Nothing. He's just saying that they're done. My buddy's hunting behind us.
How much longer are we gonna stay here?
Did you guys get your limit?